Hello guys, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome back. Welcome once again guys for the final revision. So we'll be having two revision around your when it comes to JIIB examination, okay, IE&IFS. So first of all, please do let me know if I'm clearly audible and visible to all of you so that we can start our today's discussion, right? So today's questions are based on basically guided by PYQs, not exact that particular one because like we just got the topic and all, okay? But I have framed the question around that particular one, and we'll be having a kind of a comprehensive revision for all the four modules. One another revision we'll be doing tomorrow, okay? So that will be आपका A B C D, and today we'll be doing uh, today we'll be doing आपका mixed question, ठीक है? So we have Indra ma'am and Vinod sir and Kritika ma'am, Manoj sir, Jyoti ma'am. Very good evening. Very good evening, sir. Sir, you are available on YouTube also. हाँ, we are available on YouTube also. So you can watch आपका yes. Manoj sir, you can watch anywhere, ठीक है? So whenever you want, like if you want to see on YouTube or app, so anywhere you can see this particular one, ठीक है? And आपका चलो तो shall we start guys? Shall we start everyone? So now time for the revision. We have done enough with this particular subject. Believe me, if you'll follow that particular one, that is more than sufficient and you will be easily able to crack this examination, ठीक है? तो shall we start? Yes. चलो तो start करते हैं आपका with very first question on your screen. Please quickly go through the question and try answer. Today we'll be doing आपका a sort of quick marathon. So जितना स्पीड से आप लोग चलेंगे उतनी स्पीड से चलेंगे, ठीक है? तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन, प्लीज क्विकली गो थ्रू द क्वेश्चन एंड ट्राई टू आंसर. Yes, हाँ. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन गाइस, quickly everyone quickly go through this one and try to answer. So question 1, XYZ venture capital firm evaluating the financing option to startup Technova, which is developing innovation AI driven financial solution. The startup is early stage, in its early stage, and require funding for product development and market expansion, right? So given high risk involved, XYZ venture want to structure the financing in a way that this equity or this convertible preference shares and this, if they want to balance risk and potential return, so while ensuring they can have an option to acquire ownership later, so which one will be the best fit here? आपका convertible preference share, ठीक है? So option B will be right answer without any doubt, right? Very good, well done guys. Next one, correct related to lease finance and hire purchase, ठीक है? Lease finance and hire purchase आज बिल्कुल like on a rocket speed, ठीक है? We have to do one comprehensive revision. Another revision I'll schedule for tomorrow. If you guys are available at 5 o'clock, we can do it at 5 o'clock, or else we'll do 6 o'clock only, right? चलो तो मैं ज़्यादा लोड नहीं देना चाहता हूँ आप लोगों को आगे के लिए, ठीक है? So whatever we have read, just believe in this particular things for once. I know like first paper you are going to face, and sometime we have some sort of doubts and all, ठीक है? So after first paper, all doubt will clear, right? So touch wood कि everyone will be able to clear this particular examination. Rani ma'am, आपका Raj Ravi sir, Mitra 95, ठीक है? @Mitra. A very good evening to all of you guys. चलो next question guys. So what will be your correct answer? In lease agreement, ownership of an asset remain with the lessor. In lease agreement, ownership remain with lessor. 100% true, ठीक है? Second statement, in hire purchase agreement, hire purchaser can claim depreciation. This is also true. Lease rental paid by the lessee are considered capital expenditure, revenue expenditure. In hire purchase, the purchaser become the owner after paying the last installment. Yes, like as we purchase car or any other asset on the EMIs. In lease finance, lessee can claim depreciation. No, lessor will claim the depreciation. So means आपका option A will be right. Why option B? Indra ma'am and other everyone. Okay, that was for the previous question. Why so? Why no answer for this particular question, guys? This was easy up, and this is for 2 marks. Okay, so like if you want, I can give you the score also on live basis. Yes, only Rani ma'am marked the correct answer. What happened? Kritika ma'am, Indra ma'am, Vinod sir, Muthu Kumar sir. Achha, okay. I guess you guys are your answers are coming late, right? Sakesh sir marked the correct answer. So this is something which will help you in the revision case. Aapka, okay? Chalo, no worries. Let's move on and go through the next question. It is about the yes, next question. Okay, now I'm getting your answer. Okay. Next question is about call money, notice money, term money. Okay. Now in this particular case, you just have to avoid the story. Sometime this will happen. Okay. So first read the question. Which of the following statement about call, notice and term money market are correct? That means we do not need this story, right? So first question आपका first call money 1 day, notice money 2 to 4 days आपका 2 to 4 days, 2 to 14 days, notice money आपका it is 1 day, and term money involve borrowing or lending for exceeding 14 days up to 1 year, and money transactions involve borrowing or lending for exceeding 14 days up to 6 months. So statement this is wrong, and statement 1 is true, statement 2 is wrong, statement 3 आपका correct, statement 4 is wrong. Term money आपका leading a period exceeding 14 days up to 1 year, true. So 1, 3, 4, 5. 1, 3, 5 means again option A will be right answer for this particular one. Okay, sorry. ठीक है, हाँ, option A was visible or not? ठीक है, चलो, sorry, I missed this one. ठीक है, हाँ, Kritika ma'am, I'll take care about this one. चलो, next question, guys. Next question on your screen. Quickly, everyone. Question number 4. आपका following statement accurately describe India's economic growth trajectory between 80s and 2008. ठीक है, 1980s to 2008 आपका, ठीक है, हाँ, definitely. Anywhere you can watch, sir. चलो, तो option, what will be your correct answer? With first answer will move, ठीक है, this will make this rule. With first answer we will move आपका, ठीक है. Okay, Kritika ma'am is saying option B. Sakesh sir is saying option C. Chalo, let's see. So 1980 आपका saw the decline in this one and lower public spending. If there is a आपका but public deficit contrasted significantly. No, this should be wrong आपका, even the alignment itself is wrong. 1991 economic crisis led to introduction of structural reforms under the IMF backed program. Yes. The next statement, India's current account deficit turned into surplus during the 1990s due to आपका strong FDI. Golden quadrilateral highway which connect 4 major cities Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai play a crucial role in boosting infrastructure driven areas. 2008 global crisis led India's GDP for 2 consecutive years. No, it made impact on Indian economy, but that impact was not for 2 years. मतलब ये ऐसा आपको बोला कि after that one for the next 2 years there was a decline आपका in the overall GDP numbers. No, Indian economy slowed down but not in that particular way, right? So 2, 3, 4 आपका option B will be right answer for this particular question, ठीक है. So everyone, option B, not C, not A. Option B will be right answer for this particular question. Any doubt? If you are having any doubt also, please do let me know. And आज का speed is normal speed. कल का speed will come up with आपका more number of questions, ठीक है. I'll come up with more number of questions. Today we have around 95 or something question, ठीक है. In next session we'll be having आपका a set of 200 questions or others, and we'll quickly revise all आपका, ठीक है. चलो, next question guys. Okay, option A आपका T+1. Okay, ठीक है, देख लेते हैं. सो ट्रेजरी बिल टेक प्लेस ऑन T+1 बेसिस. हाँ बिल्कुल सही जा रहे हैं लग रहा है. इफ द पेमेंट ऑन हॉलीडे, सो it is made on next working day. T plus treasury bills are issued on in a denomination of 10,000 and the quoted आपका at a face value of 100. Very good, well done. So option A will be right answer for this particular. Very good guys, awesome. Let's move forward. ठीक है, next question on your screen. Next question on your screen. Quickly guys. Speed दिखाते हैं थोड़ा सा. Everyone. With first answer only, we'll start discussing the question. And if you are having any doubt with any question, so you can mention into the comment section. Okay, so what will be your correct answer for this one? Option A. Okay, many people are saying option A, means they are saying कि आपका this is true. No, option A is wrong answer. Tanmay sir, well done. हाँ. So first statement is wrong, means it should be 1992. NSE get established in 1992. A is not right answer for this one. Indra ma'am. Chalo, others also guys. So then you got your answer. With one option only you got your answer. ठीक है, एक आंसर से आपका यू गॉट योर आंसर. ठीक है, नॉट ए नॉट सी. मेट्रोपॉलिटन स्टॉक एक्सचेंज आपका 2010. ओके, दिस इज, हाँ दिस इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट इन दिस क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द इनकरेक्ट आपका. ठीक है, यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. ठीक है, सो ओके, दैट मीन्स ए कैन बी द राइट आंसर. सॉरी, आई वॉज फाइंडिंग आपका राइट आंसर. यस. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज रॉन्ग, सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. इंडिया इंटरनेशनल एक्सचेंज INX इज आपका BSc. दिस इज BSc नॉट NSC. ठीक है, दिस इज फॉर BSc. द फोर्थ स्टेटमेंट, ओवर द काउंटर स्टॉक एक्सचेंज 1995 हेल्प टू लार्ज कॉर्पोरेट रेज फंड्स आपका. ठीक है, सो व्हेन इट कम्स टू दिस इट वॉज 1990 आपका. ठीक है, 1990. बट आई गेस कि विद एलिमिनेशन यू विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व दिस वन. Calcutta Stock Exchange 1920 continue to be a major stock exchange today? No. Now it is like there is no trading on this particular stock exchange and it got established in 1908 आपका. ठीक है, so आपका only statement correct is 2, means 1, 3, 4 and 5, means आपका option B will be right answer for this one. Correct है, तो option B will be right answer for this particular question. Anything wrong here? नो. ठीक है, सो ऑप्शन बी अभी क्लियर है ना सबको? एवरीवन इज क्लियर विद दिस पर्टिकुलर वन गाइस? नाउ इट इज, हाँ, इन वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट इनकरेक्ट. आई वॉज लुकिंग फॉर द करेक्ट ओनली. ठीक है, यस, नाउ इट इज फाइन नाउ एवरीवन. सो प्लीज डू रिमेंबर दिस पर्टिकुलर डेट. बिट ट्रिकी, बट विद प्रैक्टिस और विद रिविजन यू कैन आपका जस्ट ट्राई टू रिमेंबर. ठीक है, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. नेक्स्ट आगे बढ़े. ऑल गुड नाउ? इंदिरा मैम ऑल गुड, कृतिका मैम एंड अदर्स. चलो नेक्स्ट वन, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन. A company seeking launch IPO have net tangible asset 3 crores rupee in each of the preceding years. However, which condition apply regarding the monetary assets आपका? ठीक है, so monetary assets के regarding है. ठीक है, so what will be your correct answer? हाँ, only 2 was false and we have to find out. No, only 2 was correct आपका, others was incorrect in that particular case. ठीक है, चलो भूल जाओ उस क्वेश्चन को, आगे बढ़ते हैं. ठीक है, एवरीवन गाइस क्विकली ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लेना है, सोचना नहीं है ज़्यादा. ठीक है, अज्यूम कि यू आर इन रियल एग्जामिनेशन एंड दीज आर द रियल क्वेश्चंस फॉर योर एग्जामिनेशन. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू थिंक लाइक दैट एंड अटेम्प्ट एंड वी हैव टू सॉल्व दिस 75 क्वेश्चंस विद इन 1 hour 30 minutes और समथिंग. ठीक है, बिकॉज आई नो आफ्टर 1 hour 30 minutes यू वॉन्ट स्टे देयर. ठीक है, 1.5 घंटे में सब लोग बाहर आ जाते हैं. सो not more than 50% tangible asset should be in monetary form unless IPO is entirely an offer for sale. ठीक है, तो option B will be right answer for this particular question. Very good. चलो next one. This everybody know, I guess, and this is the things which we have आपका studies many time. ठीक है, तो क्या होगा इसका correct answer? What is the correct match for this one? One question for sure you will get on आपका revolution. ठीक है, so green revolution, MS Swaminathan, white revolution, operation milk related things, this was agriculture. ठीक है, Vergis Kurian, yellow revolution आपका seed and led by the Sam Petrado, blue revolution fisheries and aquaculture, silver revolution आपका egg protection, golden is no, this was the wrong one only. ठीक है, so it is horticulture. Evergreen आपका, this is the one. So 1 2 3 5 4 5 7. ठीक है, 1 2 3 4 5 7. Which one is fit best आपका? D. That should be the right answer for this particular one. Very good. So this is the chart before entering to the examination hall. So you have to go through this one. ठीक है, I'll share one. I have shared one आपका entire IE&IFS subject PDF. Tonight or tomorrow morning I'll share the summary of that particular one. ठीक है, so which you have to keep handy. Let's say if you reach 1 hour before to the examination center, so that you can revise with the help of that particular one. ठीक है, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं next one. In that module C questions I'm arranging. If it is possible I'll share by tomorrow morning itself. Indra ma'am and others. Which folder we get the Mudhu Kumar sir, I have shared in chat box only. ठीक है, in chat only I have shared. You just ping me on app or WhatsApp anywhere, I'll share आपका. ठीक है, so you can just ping me on chat also directly. So I'll share with you, or I have already uploaded on the folders also. ठीक है, so if you not getting, just do ping me, I'll share. ठीक है, so next question. Which of the following statement about the sunrise sector of Indian economy is correct? Jaldi say, 2 marks. Everyone will get 2 marks with this one. And Indra ma'am got 1 marks or what? Other also guys, quickly, क्या होगा? sunrise sector सबसे ज़्यादा emerging sector होते हैं economy के, like जहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा startups आपको देखने के लिए मिलेंगे, सबसे ज़्यादा investment आपको देखने के लिए मिलेगा, employment generation काफ़ी high है and competition भी काफ़ी high है. ठीक है, so these are the startup आपका sunrise sector. So high growth rate, innovation and strong investor trust. Sectors such as green energy, pharmaceuticals, examples of this. Retail infrastructure are they are also part of this particular one. Sunrise sector typically experience low competition. They experience high competition. The sector play a crucial role in job creation and all. So option A will be right answer for this particular question. Okay? So A will be right answer for this one. Very good. Aarti ma'am and Tanmay sir, Jasila ma'am, Vinod sir, Indra ma'am, everyone. Rest, why you guys are not answering? Neelam ma'am also, yes, huh? And who is this? Tamil Rasi Thangaraj, हाँ, from who? Karthik sir or who? ठीक है, चलो next one guys, next question on your screen. Quickly go through the question. Microeconomics and macroeconomics. ठीक है, 1 marks question you can expect based on this topic और आपका type of economies and all. So quickly. Microeconomics studies has behavior of studies the behavior of individual and consumer firms in decision making. Microeconomics emerged in modern from the after the publication of macroeconomics after the publication of Keynes theory of employment, interest and money, 1936. Microeconomics focus on aggregated indicators. Macroeconomics focus on these. Macroeconomics deal with the overall performance of national and regional. Adams theory, Adam Smith Wealth of Nations 1776 laid the foundation of microeconomics. ठीक है, तो फादर ऑफ माइक्रोइकोनॉमिक्स, फादर ऑफ मैक्रोइकोनॉमिक्स. ठीक है, फादर ऑफ मैक्रोइकोनॉमिक्स कीन्स, फादर ऑफ माइक्रोइकोनॉमिक्स आपका this Adam Smith. ठीक है, so please do remember these one also. So what will be your correct answer? D will be right answer for this particular one. Well done. So option D will be right answer for this particular one. Next one guys. Priority sector lending, and you have to find out the correct one. Okay, priority sector lending, and based on the statement, and you have to find out the correct statement. This is in general statement, huh? This is true means if you are having any doubt. ठीक है, तो this is wrong, this is true and this is also wrong. ठीक है, तो 1 2 5 4 1 2 4 means आपका option A will be right answer for this particular question. ठीक है, who have marks statement A. ठीक है, option A आपका, so option A will be right answer for this one. See here आपका Indra ma'am, you missed this one. This is for RRBs when it comes to 15%. So that is for RRBs. ठीक है, for small finance bank it is again आपका 12%, 12.50%. ठीक है, now it is 12.50% only, and RRBs it is 15%. ठीक है, so do not get confused with that particular one. D no, we need to correct this one, so it will be A only, and the statement 5 is 12% आपका, 12% not 12.5, हाँ sorry, it is 12% आपका. ठीक है, 12% only. So आपका this is incorrect. Here explanation is given fine, it is 12% not 15%. RRBs they have to lend 15% आपका. ठीक है, so this is the further bifurcation also for your reference purpose. Next one, which of the following statement about QIP are correct? QIP are correct. QIPs are correct. What will be your correct answer, guys? C आपका ओके. सो व्हेन इट कम्स टू स्टेटमेंट 5 दिस इज ट्रू. ठीक है, स्टेटमेंट 4 द इशू अंडर QIP ओपन ओनली फॉर आपका QIBs, इट इज ओनली फॉर QIBs, तो दिस इज रॉन्ग. स्टेटमेंट 3 आपका द प्राइमरी ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ इंट्रोड्यूसिंग QIP टू रिड्यूस रिलायंस ऑन इंडियन कंपनी, दिस इज ऑल्सो ट्रू. ठीक है, 2 इज QIP is faster method to raise capital. It does not require pre filing with SEBI आपका, this is also correct. ठीक है, this is also correct आपका. ठीक है, the first statement आपका allowing listed companies to issue this excluding, it is excluding warrant आपका, this is wrong. तो 235 means option B will be right answer for this particular one. Only Tanmay sir mark the correct answer, rest all get confused with something else. Jasila ma'am also mark the correct answer. Again, so option B will be right answer for this particular one. Please do revise these men, so that will help you. Next one, guys, what is the minimum net worth required for a credit rating agency as per the CRA regulations? What will be your correct answer? 1 crore, 2 crore, 5 crore and 10 crore. So what will be your correct answer? 5 crores. Okay. So 5 crores will be right answer for this particular question. Next one. Well done, guys. Which of the following statement are correct regarding credit information company and their regulations? Okay. Credit information companies and their regulation. What we have to find out? Correct statement. ओके, व्हाट यू सजेस्ट, ठीक है. सो सी गाइस, फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज रॉन्ग, ठीक है. सिबिल वॉज द फर्स्ट आपका CIC इन इंडिया 2000, ठीक है. सो दिस इज यस, हाँ ठीक है, फर्स्ट वन वॉज सिबिल. सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट आपका, दे नॉट नेसेसरीली like it is mentioned must be a member of all CICs. No, there is no mandate. It is आपका at least one CIC, ठीक है. So bank or regulated entities, they have to be member of at least one. They can be all, but it is their choice, ठीक है. That's why this is wrong. CIC can collect information only from their member, which initially led to incomplete borrower's credit history. Aditpuri committee recommendations also, and this is also correct. So 345 means option B will be right answer for this particular question. Very good, well done, ठीक है. Option B, रानी मैम कहाँ पे गड़बड़ हो रहा है? Please do revise things and all, ठीक है. So that will help you. Next one. Statements are correct. Today we have आपका basically what I have tried to do. This is kind of alignment with your past year papers. So basically the question was around these particular topics and all. So that's why I have covered this one, ठीक है. So we'll be having question from all the module, and tomorrow also, tomorrow we'll do आपका one quick revision आपका for all the 4 modules, मतलब sequential, ठीक है. So tomorrow we'll start with A, B, C, D. Today we are doing आपका mixed question and all, ठीक है. So that you can quickly revise things and all. Tomorrow will be आपका rapid revision, हाँ. I'll not come up with these much of आपका lengthy statement and all. So I'll come up with around 200 questions which we will cover आपका within 2 hours. ऐसा कुछ बनाएंगे plan, ठीक है. If you guys are okay with 5 PM, so I can start at 5 PM, ठीक है. If you guys are okay with 5 PM timing and all. So Vinod sir is saying, see, so MSS was introduced in 2004, market stabilization scheme to manage excess liquidity by large capital inflows by FIIs. 100% true. Vinod sir, this is correct. MSS involved the issuance of additional treasury bills and dated government securities to absorb liquidity from the banking system, which is infused by the large capital inflows from the FIIs, ठीक है. The primary objective of the MSS is to regulate short term, no, long term आपका, ठीक है. Basically it is for the long term. A repo rate is the rate at which RBI lends short-term money to banks, influencing borrowers, borrowing cost and lending cost. The reverse repo rate at which RBI observes liquidity from this, हाँ true, ठीक है. तो 1245 means आपका option B will be right answer for this particular one, ठीक है. Okay. हाँ वो like only motive is आपका I do not have any issue with 6 or 7 PM कि you guys also need some time na after the session and all, ठीक है. So that's why I was thinking कि I can do it at 5 o'clock, but if you guys are saying 6 o'clock, it is okay for me, ठीक है. चलो next one, ध्यान दो questions पे, ध्यान दो guys, गड़बड़ हो रहा है baby. There are lots of mistakes. कैसे आपका होगा जल्दी से. So which of the following statement about various government initiatives? Make in India initiative was launched in September 2014 to transform global design and manufacturing hub. First one आपका. Second one आपका the Stand Up India scheme, loan आपका 10 lakh to 1 crores to women and SC/ST entrepreneurs. COVID-19 आपका the emergency credit guarantee scheme was introduced during COVID-19 to provide 3 lakh crores in collateral free credit to MSMEs. Product link a PLI scheme was launched within a collective of 1.97 lakh crores. That time it was 13 key sector. I guess now we have added some other also. Okay. The interest subsidy eligibility certificate scheme facilitate borrowing from banks for Khadi institution to bridge the funding gap. All seems correct. All seems correct ना? Yes, हाँ. I am also aligned with your answer. Whoever is going with option C, ठीक है. All seems correct आपका in this particular case. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. All the statements which were given in that particular one are true, ठीक है. So this is something which you have to revise one. ठीक है. Option हाँ. Okay, no worries. Just do remember this. Next one. Who is the responsible for managing funds and making investment in various securities. Investing funds and various securities in case of mutual funds. बताओ दोनों क्या होगा correct answer? What will be your right answer, guys? So what will be your correct answer? Sorry, I took a lot of time. Yeah, so it is AMC, Asset Management Companies. Next one, joint liability group. So which of the following statement is correct about joint liability group? Why other people are not answering? Now I have to call the name. शांति से क्यों बैठे guys? मधु कुमार सर, आरती मैम, अनीता मैम, देवेंद्र सर, राजकुमार राव सर, शिवलता मैम, ज्योति मैम, everyone guys, please answer. What will be your correct answer? Vinod sir is saying A. So what was the question? Correct statement आपका this. The first statement is it is 4 to 10 members, same socio-economic background. JLG members must provide collective collaterals for avail loan from the banks. JLG member must, no, it is a collateral free loan. SIDB provide, it is NABARD. आपका JLG can include small farmers, thus 100% true. ठीक है, 1 in 4 without any doubt it is 100% आपका right answer. Okay. Devendra sir, okay, fine. Next one. Which of the following statement best explain why mutual funds are considered attractive investment options for retail investors? First answer, Tanmay sir. B. They offer diversification, professional management, liquidity while allowing investment as low as 500, 100% true. ठीक है, without any doubt 100% true आपका. Very good, well done. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next one. Which of the following best describe the primary role of आपका MFI, Association of Mutual Funds in India? So MFI का रोल आपसे पूछा गया है. So what is the role of MFI? Tomorrow we'll do आपका all module revision, sequential revision. ठीक है, module A, B, C, D. So module A, B, C, D. So we'll be doing sequential revision in our next session. What is the answer? B. Indira ma'am is saying being SRO that facilitate industry investor and best practices. 100% true. Very good. Well done. Next one, guys. World Bank Group institution are correct. So you have to find out correct statement. 2 marks. ठीक है. This was from my shift in October 2023 and even the answer was given wrong. So we got 2 marks additional for this particular question. अगर हमने गलत भी किया था तो भी 2 marks मिले. So whenever you will go see any wrong question, so they'll provide you bonus marks for that particular one. So basically what happened, they say you'll give exam on November and once you'll press the button, आपका your score will reflect on the screen. ठीक है, so live, everything is live. After 2 and 3 days you will get consolidated mark sheet for your subject specific. Means let's say second you have given examination, तो third, fourth, by 5th आपका you will get the consolidated mark sheet. So during that consolidation आपका they increase the numbers if there is any wrong question, but very rare chances. अभी बहुत कम chances हैं. B आपका the ICSID was established in 1966 आपका, ठीक है, to mediate dispute between international investor and state आपका. 100% true. ठीक है, so when it comes to ICSID, it is International Center for Settlement of Investment Dispute आपका. 100% true. ठीक है. Second statement, MEGA protect investors against non-commercial and political risk in developing countries. This is also true. ठीक है. Then MEGA stand for आपका Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency. ठीक है. Next one, third statement, IFSC focus on private sector. ठीक है, 100% true. IDA provide long term interest free loans. This is also correct. Wrong क्या इसमें then? IBRD serve as a middle this हाँ. India is a member of this is the wrong statement. ठीक है, we are not member of ICSID. ठीक है, IDA ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड डेट रिलीफ आपका, दैट इज ट्रू, ठीक है। तो क्या कह रहे हो आप लोग, बी इज, ठीक है, बी इज आपका 1 2, हाँ बिल्कुल सही है, ठीक है। सो ऑप्शन बी विल बी राइट आंसर फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर। वेरी गुड गाइज, वेल डन। नेक्स्ट वन, नीति आयोग, फ्रॉम दिस यूनिट यू विल गेट वन क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन आपका ओवरऑल प्लानिंग थिंग्स, एंड अनदर क्वेश्चन इज अराउंड दी योर आपका दैट नीति आयोग एंड ऑल, ठीक है। दैट फाइनेंसिंग वाला सोर्स इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ठीक है। हाउ बेसिकली गवर्नमेंट फाइनेंस देयर प्लानिंग एंड ऑल, द सोर्सेज दे आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। Okay, Tanmay sir is saying D, Muthukumar sir is saying B. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, चलो let's see. And आपका 1 3 4 5 6 7. Let's see. So Niti Aayog was established on 1st January 2015. 100% true. It replaced आपका planning commission. It replaced planning commission, not आपका finance commission. The Team India Hub cooperates state involvement with the central government. Knowledge and Innovation Hub strengthen the Niti Aayog think tank capabilities. Niti Aayog promote cooperative federalism by bringing state together. True. The governing council of Niti Aayog is led by Prime Minister and the other team. Niti Aayog function as a आपका advisory body. So this is the one. What you guys are suggesting? D. 1 3 4 6. 100%. Option D will be right answer for this particular question. Well done, guys. Next one. Durga Devi ji, very very good evening. Very late, हाँ. चलो next one. How many level did riskometer initially have when it was introduced in 2015? So it was 5. ठीक है. Right now we have 6 आपका, ठीक है. So earlier there was आपका 5 only. Now we have 6 आपका, ठीक है. So riskometer is something like this, ठीक है. Low, moderate and this. So okay, according to this particular one. Very good. Next one. Which of the following statement are correct regarding classical theory of interest? Classical theory of interest, बताइए. Classical theory of interest. So the rate of interest is determined by equilibrium of demand and supply of saving. ठीक है. Then we have the demand for capital is directly related to interest. The supply capital is influenced by saving. This. Okay, what you guys suggesting? 1 D आपका. Okay, so first statement is true. The equilibrium आपका, that is demand and supply, 100% true. Then second statement, it is आपका inversely related, ठीक है. So when it comes to demand for capital and interest are inversely related, ठीक है. When interest will be high, demand for capital will be low. When interest will be low, demand for capital will be high, ठीक है. People will borrow more money at less rate of interest, ठीक है. That is the phenomena. Third one is आपका this, हाँ 100% true. Fourth, it is a real phenomena as per the classical theory and that is criticized by the आपका Keynes. True, हाँ. Fifth statement is also correct. Sorry, by mistake I marked this one. So statement fifth is also correct आपका, ठीक है. Keynes criticized classical theory by stating interest is a reward for आपका liquidity, ठीक है. So there are 3 motives to save the money, ठीक है. So those 3 motives that we will be discussing. Next one, guys, quickly. Alternative investment funds, AIF, and as per the SEBI regulation, what we have to find out? Not consider. Which of the following not consider AIF as per this? What will be your correct answer? बताइए. A, B, C, D. No, Vinod sir wrong. Tanmay sir wrong, ठीक है. So आपका AIF comes under that, venture capital comes under that particular one, ठीक है. C, ESOP trust set up under SEBI, share based employment benefit regulation 2014 एक्ट भी आपको लिख के दिया गया था. All are correct here. ठीक है, all are incorrect here, sorry, no worries. चलो next one, consider the Grameen Bank model. 100% you'll see this particular one in your examination, and I'll share one आपका a list today, so of the subtopics, so you can at least make sure कि you are aligned with those particular topic, and while you revise things and all, now you have to do revision only with आपका that concept PDF आपका. ठीक है, do not go for the question answer and things. ठीक है, आप कल तक जा सकते हैं, बट फ्रॉम टुमारो इवनिंग ऑनवर्ड्स यू हैव टू रिवाइज ओनली थ्रू द कॉन्सेप्ट पीडीएफ. बिलीव मी गाइज, दैट विल हेल्प यू, दैट विल हेल्प अ लॉट. ठीक है, एंड कीप दोज पर्टिकुलर डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैंडी. सो व्हाट विल बी अ करेक्ट आंसर? प्रोफेसर मोहम्मद, who is generally known for father of this Grameen Bank model, was 1978, 1983 आपका 1983. Then next one is the loan repayment rate is आपका how much? 99%, right? बिल्कुल सही है. तो yes, हाँ, तो what we have to find out, not correct means 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are incorrect, means option B will be right answer for this particular. Very good, Devin sir and others. चलो next one guys. Which of the following statement FRBM Act are correct? FRBM, Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act 2003. FRBM Act 2003. क्या होगा करेक्ट आंसर? FRBM से रिलेटेड कौन सा स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है? सो व्हाट विल बी योर करेक्ट आंसर? FRBM Act was enacted in 2003 and become effective in 2004. हाँ, फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू, मीन्स अच्छा हाँ पहला यहाँ पे ठीक है. सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट, Act prohibit government from borrowing RBI for deficit financing. This is also true. अब मैं क्यों सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ? क्योंकि 1 and 2 ऑप्शंस में आपके लिखे हुए हैं. रेस्ट इट्स अप टू यू. अब आपको बताना है व्हाट विल बी योर करेक्ट आंसर. हाँ, it was 2008 if somebody remember this. This is exact from your book. हाँ ठीक है. The act introduced medium this expenditure which need to be presented in parliament. Yes. Encasing committee आपका debt to equity was 60%. This is also wrong. 40 center आपका this state, 20 state. The government can deviate from fiscal target in case of national emergency. FRBM quarterly review this. ठीक है. तो 1 2 4 6 7 1 2 4 6 7 1 2 4 5 1 2 4 6 7. तो ऑप्शन बी will be right answer for this particular question. A, why A? Option B. Option B will be right answer guys. Option B. Very good Indra ma'am. ठीक है. So option B will be right answer for this particular question. आज like people are like हाँ अभी से इतना प्रेशर ले लोगे तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. ठीक है. You have to be very cool and calm during examination also. You have to be very cool and calm. First 1 hour is very very important. ठीक है. ट्राई की attempt 70 plus आपका during first 1 hour. Why I am saying so? Because after 1 hour there will be disturbance. People will start leaving the examination hall. कुछ लोग होंगे जिनको कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा होगा, कुछ लोग होंगे जो बहुत अच्छे से प्रिपेयर किए हैं and they'll solve आपका 100 question in 1 hour only. ठीक है. You will see two type of crowd. One is those who are very well prepared, 1 hour 100 question. ठीक है. Another category आपका 1 hour like they'll wait for, because before 1 hour you cannot leave the examination hall. ठीक है. That is the rule. So after 1 hour there will be some sort of confusion like why people are leaving so early and why I am delaying. So target downside 70 plus in your first 1 hour. Assume that this paper is only for 1 hour 30 minutes. तो and your efficiency will be very high. Your brain will work. धीरे धीरे आपको थोड़ा सा बोरियत लगने लग जाएगा एंड once you will submit, so थोड़ा बहुत डर भी लगेगा. ठीक है. You will feel like यार what is this, मतलब your banking exam was easy compared to this, because in banking examination your result being announced after 1 month 2 months whatever it is, but here it is everything is instant karma. Whatever you will do that will become this. ठीक है. चलो तो क्या होगा आंसर? What will be your correct answer? Net asset value, correct statement. So what will be your correct answer? NAV must publish NAV, mutual fund must publish NAV schemes in daily at least once in newspaper. uh, it is आपका I guess it is two newspaper, ठीक है. About the publication it should be two newspaper. Second statement आपका fund of fund scheme have extended time until 10 a.m. next business day. For them it is 9:30 p.m. आपका, this is true, ठीक है. So for others आपका sorry, those who are not categorized under fund of fund, they have to आपका by 9 p.m. ठीक है, they have to by 9 p.m. But fund of fund it is आपका 10 a.m. 100% true. The next statement, NAV for all type of fund scheme must be rounded off 2 decimal. No, 2 and 4 decimal आपका, we have two different categories here. It depend on the scheme. NAV and sale purchase price of mutual fund scheme except for the fund of fund, this is be this is mentioned here, this is true. So 2 and 4 means आपका option C should be right answer for this particular one, not D. तन्मय sir, ऑप्शन सी, ठीक है. हाँ, हु मार्क दिस वन, आपका इंदिरा मैम. इंदिरा मैम इज लीडिंग गाइस, ठीक है. इंदिरा मैम बहुत अच्छा कर रही है. तन्मय सर इज ऑल्सो, बट अभी तन्मय सर आपका स्कोर धीरे धीरे नीचे जा रहा है, तो यू हैव टू वर्क, फोकस फोकस फोकस. कल आई विल कम अप विद आपका, इन नेक्स्ट सेशन आई विल कम अप विद आपका 200 क्वेश्चन. विल टारगेट की 1 आवर वी आर टारगेटिंग 100 क्वेश्चन, ठीक है. दैट स्पीड आपका, आई विल रीड क्वेश्चन, यू जस्ट हैव टू सबमिट आंसर्स एंड विल गो फॉरवर्ड. Or from all the 4 module with sequence unit wise, means like we have 45 minutes, so we'll cover all the 45, ठीक है. This is half marks question, not a contract of indemnity आपका life insurance, ठीक है. Life insurance is not a subject of contract of indemnity. Next one, okay, please quickly go through this question and submit your answers. A. Anita ma'am is saying A. Anita ma'am always start answering, ठीक है. Whether it is right or wrong, she dare to answer every question. Very good, well done ma'am. But let's see what is the answer. So Golden Quadrilateral is a national highway network project containing 4 major cities: Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai, ठीक है. Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. True. Bharatmala Pariyojana, a largest road infrastructure project with allocation of more than 100 this. Gati Shakti platform for 16 ministers of the same line. This platform, digital platform for launch, integrate planning across this multimodal connectivity, multimodal logistic park, PPP and cargo movement. Kavach आपका railway, this is also true. Parvatmala आपका, ठीक है, program for ropeways and it is how many, 8 or 6, ठीक है. It was 8 or 6 and this is 60 kilometer or something, ठीक है. So this is wrong. National Industrial Corridor आपका, this is also true. Boost employment and economic this. तो 1 2 3 4 5 7 1 2 3 4 5 7, ठीक है. ऑप्शन बी शुड बी राइट आंसर फॉर दिस वन, ठीक है. कोई बात नहीं, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन. सो दिस इज आपका पर्वतमाला इनिशिएटिव नेशनल दिस. It for 8 ropeways and the covering 60 kilometer in rural, that hilly areas and all. Next one guys, consider the following statement regarding the economic reforms of 1991. 1 marks guys, 1 marks. चलो 1 marks का question है. Who will answer this? 1 marks question, 1 marker question. Liberalization led to removal of industrial licensing in most sectors except those, this is the one. Privatization resulted in complete withdrawal. No, wrong. First one is correct, second one is this. Globalization facilitated entity of foreign, this one 100% true. 1 and 3, A will be right answer for this particular question. Correct hai? Yes, very good. Next one. Next question guys, quickly. As per the Reserve Bank of India regulation, what is the maximum exposure a bank can have to a single NBFC? कितना था जल्दी से? 1 2 3 4, yes, very good Vinod sir, awesome. In 20% आपका tier 1 capital, ठीक है, so 20% tier 1 capital, very good, well done guys. Next one, which of the following statement about the Narsimham Committee 1 and banking sector reforms? For sure you will see Narsimham Committee, whether it is 1 or 2, ठीक है, Narsimham Committee के ऊपर एक क्वेश्चन जरूर होगा, and 90% टाइम दैट क्वेश्चन इज फॉर 2 मार्क्स, ठीक है, सेशन है, ठीक है, 90% टाइम दैट क्वेश्चन विल बी फॉर 2 मार्क्स आपका. Alright, so what you guys are suggesting B, okay, the committee recommended the introduction of capital adequacy, true है, 8% that time. The reform led by DRT, true है. Committee suggested decrease आपका wrong है. One of the key recommendations was आपका new private sector banks आपका true है, and strong supervisory reforms true है, ठीक है. So 1 2 4 5, very good, well done guys. 1 2 4 5 true आपका, that is the correct answer for this particular one. Okay, please go through this particular one. I have to change my position, so it will take 2 minutes to आपका set the platform, ठीक है. Everyone please quickly go through this. So I'll rejoin this session, ठीक है, I'll rejoin or reconnect this आपका session. So maybe for a while it will show some lag. Just a minute, huh? First I'll change the network. I'll change the question also. Till that time you can go through the question. So what was the question? C आपका, okay, maximum people are saying C, very good, well done guys. Please go through this question, then I'll change the. Okay, all set. Next question guys, next question. So प्रधानमंत्री जीवन ज्योति बीमा योजना, ठीक है, and you have to find out the correct statement. 2 lakh for 1 year period, yes. The scheme available for individual, the age group is आपका what? Age group is 18 to 50, ठीक है, 18 to 50, that is wrong. The next one is annual premium of this 436, true है. Aadhaar is the KYC documents, this is also true, ठीक है. The scheme is offered only by the life insurance, no, ठीक है, it have other also, ठीक है. तो 134 means आपका option B will be right answer for this particular one. Very good. Next one. Harshita, order.
Tricks or treats?
तो कुछ मंगा दो यार. They'll come यार. Kids are celebrating Halloween now. Yeah, they are coming home and they are saying आपका tricks and treat. Want to show some, you all see some tricks guys? Live, some live tricks. Musk, what happened? Come here. So what will be your correct answer guys? Next one. Consider the following statement regarding Insurance Act 1938. A आपका इंदिरा मैम is saying A. The act that every insurer must obtain certificate of registration. The act prohibit offer rebate on insurance premium, true. The act allow insurer to invest freely? No. ठीक है, there are some restriction. Wrong. 1 and 2 very easy one. ठीक है, we have practiced earlier also. Next one. Insurance ombudsman. Insurance ombudsman. What will be your correct answer, guys? Insurance ombudsman. Who raised the hand? Next time if kids will come, I'll invite them inside and they'll show you some tricks, huh? Who want to see the tricks? I will ask for some tricks to pass JIIB exam. ठीक है? Seeman sir, very very good evening. Very late, huh? चलो. So what will be your correct answer, guys? A. Vinod sir is saying A. Other people. So the complaint can be lodged with ombudsman under jurisdiction of insurer branch or complaint in residential or residence fault. ठीक है, बिल्कुल सही है. The maximum आपका reward is how much? 30 lakhs. ठीक है. So the maximum reward is आपका 30 lakhs. The complainant can approach NB आपका ombudsman only if the complaint is not already before court and others. True. Fourth one, complaint can file writing, email this. हाँ बिल्कुल सही. If both parties agree for mediation, ombudsman can give recommendations within 3 months. No, it is आपका how many months? 30 days आपका basically. So it should be 1 month आपका, ठीक है, not 3 months. There are no fee on or charges required to file this one. ठीक है, तो कौन सा बैठ रहा है? 1346. 1346 means option A will be right answer for this one. Very good. Well done, guys. Next one. Next one. Next one. Quickly. Everyone, guys. And tomorrow we'll be doing one comprehensive marathon for all the 4 modules, unit-wise. ठीक है? A kind of a quick revision. I'll come up with 200 questions. Target 2 hours. Everyone. ठीक है? Ready रहना है सबको. तो next question is आपका foreign trade policy. So right now we are having आपका 2023 and that is a kind of a never-ending policy. Means we do not have any period for this one. Earlier we used to have for the 5 years, right? तो अभी हम उसी में amendment करेंगे. And DGFT is the body who generally come up with these one. So first one आपका prior to 1991, India had highly protectionist trade policy with high tariff and quantitative restrictions. The trade liberalization measure post 1991 were implemented solely due to pressure from the internal. It was internal. This आपका reforms and this true. ठीक है. So option B will be right answer for this particular one. Very good, guys. Awesome. Next one. Okay. Please quickly go through the question and try to answer. So India relationship with IMF and SDR. India being founding member of IMF has always held a permanent seat in आपका 10. No, we got in 1970 first of all. We were the founding member. True, we are the founding members. The SDR allocation are primarily used by IMF to settle. No, this is not for the trade balances. We do not settle trade in by using this. The third statement, SDR is neither a currency or nor a direct claim on IMF, but can be exchanged for freely usable currencies. True. फोर्थ वन आपका द composition of SDR basket reviewed periodically in mostly every 5 years. Last one was 2022. Next one is 2027, September 2027. The IMF SDR allocation is based on country. No, it is contribution based. Okay. IMF India IMF quota determine its voting right, but its voting right is slightly lower than this 100% true. We have around 2.72 आपका overall contribution. Voting right is around 2.67. SDR value fluctuate daily on the basket of currencies. This is also true. ठीक है. So which is fitting here? Okay, C आपका 3 4 हाँ बिल्कुल सही. Option 3 will be right answer for this particular question. Alright, चलो next question guys. Okay, so IRDA micro insurance is how much? आपका 50,000. A आपका will be right answer for this one. Next one guys. So merchant banker categories registered with SEBI. तो what all आपका 1 2 3 4 ठीक है, all they need to register with SEBI itself. Next one. So GDP is calculated using income approach. Thus आपका wages, rent, interest, profit and indirect taxes wrong. Net export x minus m expenditure method, international trade true. And आपका depreciation deducted from GDP and market price, it is आपका NDP. It should be NDP, net domestic product. NDP, net domestic product. So GDP minus NDP. आपका depreciation is equal to net domestic price product आपका NDP. ठीक है, means wrong. In product approach, GDP is obtained by summing value of across all sectors. True. Fifth one, real GDP is always lower than आपका this. Wrong. Government spending in expenditure method, salaries of public events and military expenses, but exclude transfer payments आपका. Yes. The next one is GDP at factor cost derived by the subtracting net indirect taxes from GDP at factor cost net indirect taxes from this. हाँ, this is also true. ठीक है, तो 2 4 6 7 2 4 6 7 2 कुछ गड़बड़ है क्वेश्चन आंसर में. 2 4 6 7 हाँ, देयर इज it is आपका it should be this is GDP minus depreciation is NDP. See we have आपका GDP when we add NIA, net income from abroad, it is equal to NNP. ठीक है, it is GNP, gross national product. When we minus GNP minus depreciation, it is equal to net national product. ठीक है, so it should be like this. NNP आपका GNP minus depreciation is NNP. when you we directly minus आपका from GDP we directly minus depreciation, it should be NDP. ठीक है, there must be आपका wrong. ठीक है, so C आपका it is saying option C is 2 3 means आपका this is wrong guys. ठीक है, so we need to correct this one. So now C will be fine. ठीक है, please do remember this one. तो depreciation deducted from GNP is आपका NDP. It should be net domestic product आपका, not this. No. It max to max 4 to 5. Max to max 4. Max to max 4 or 5. Even their screen does not allow that much of space. Okay, what is the right answer for this one? ठीक है, आपका डायरेक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट इन रियल एस्टेट डज नॉट कम अंडर दिस पर्टिकुलर वन. ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट वन. Minimum net worth for acquiring or seeking category 1 merchant banking license. Category 1 merchant banking license. So what will be your correct answer? Right, so option B आपका 5 crores. So option B 5 crores will be right answer for this one. Regarding SEBI regulation for merchant banks in India, SEBI regulation merchant banks आपका what will be your correct answer guys? Okay, C. Every merchant bank must maintain copies of balance sheet, profit and loss account. This first statement is true. ठीक है, second statement they have to half yearly. ठीक है, it is on unaudited, I guess it is half yearly. ठीक है, half yearly. So half yearly. Please do correct this. Do check this one, huh? If I'm wrong. Merchant banks excluding their director, including directors, they are prohibited from the trade. Merchant banks should not associated with any business other than the securities market. And the next one is lead merchant bank should not associate with a merchant banker without registration. This is also true. 145 means D should be right answer for this one. So D, half yearly audit unaudited result should be submitted to SEBI आपका. ठीक है, so that is the rule here. Not quarterly आपका, it is half yearly. ठीक है, that I guess most of the people went wrong with that statement. Next one, differentiate exchange traded and OTC derivative. ठीक है, differences between OTC and exchange traded derivative. Tanmay sir is saying B. Other people guys? Yes, बिल्कुल सही, 100% true. Option B will be right answer for this one. True regarding options contract. Options contract. Options contract. ठीक है. So a put option give holder right to sell an asset at a predetermined price. ठीक है. C will be right answer for this particular. Very good guys. Next one. Factor are correct. Statement about the factoring services are correct. So statement about the factoring services are correct. तो फैक्टरिंग से संबंधित आपका स्टेटमेंट कौन सा करेक्ट है. ठीक है. Factoring is done on an open account basis with and without recourse, where factor means the bank who discounts 75 to 80% bills receivables of the exporters, right? So what is the right answer? Factor involve financing and collection of account receivable in domestic and international trade. The another one is the Factoring Regulation Act 2011 allow without recourse. Without recourse is not permitted in India as per this section itself. Factoring include managing sale ledger, collecting debt and providing this. Bank providing credit facilities against receivables in their ordinary course of business and covered under this Factoring Regulation 2011. ठीक है. Bank providing credit facilities against receivables in their ordinary course of business are covered. And okay, this is, I guess this should be wrong. Anyone who want to answer this? 1 in 3. I'll also give it this one. Okay, Indra ma'am is also, Tanmay sir, everyone. Okay. This fourth statement, bank providing credit facilities against receivables are excluded from आपका factoring under the आपका regulation 2011. Yes. हाँ ठीक है. चलो next one. Regarding the different type of deficit, again very important topic, get asked many times. Okay, so statement 1, 2 are true, but when it comes to primary deficit, it cannot be negative आपका, it can be up to the value. ठीक है, 0 आपका. So option C, primary deficit is a fiscal deficit minus interest payment. So it cannot be negative due to interest payment exceeding the fiscal deficit as well. Next one guys, which of the following statement regarding the banking reforms recommended by Narsimham Committee 1 are correct? Narsimham Committee 1. So capital adequacy at 8%, recovery of debt due to Bank and Financial Institution Act 1993, and new private sector bank आपका restricted. No, this is wrong. 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 means आपका A. ठीक है. So A will be right answer for this particular question. ठीक है. Must know. चलो, please go through this question. Hi, can you please come later? I'm in a session right now. Thank you. So what will be your correct answer? Statement about business cycle. आपका maximum people are saying C. Let's see the answer also. ठीक है. Okay, yes, बिल्कुल correct हैं आप लोग. Next one, I'll not delay. Which of the following statement about factoring are correct? Factoring are correct. Who have raised hand? And why people are joining late? Other people. Pooja ma'am, Srikant sir, Gayatri ma'am, Sakesh sir. And now like I have almost all people who are part of this batch. But like guys, please do revise things. I've shared notes, and if you are finding any difficulty to find those particular notes, do connect with me on app and or else you can connect with me on आपका टेलीग्राम ऑल्सो, ठीक है. सो आई पर्सनली शेयर, नो वरीज, ठीक है. डी, ओके. सो आपका फोर फिटिंग प्रोवाइड 100% फाइनेंस विदाउट recourse आपका, बिकॉज इट इज बैक बाय LC, 100% ट्रू. Forfeiting increase administrative cost, no. For exporter, they do not have to do anything. Forfeiting help exporter avoid risk such as credit risk, currency risk. This 1 in 3. 1 in 3 means आपका C will be right answer for this one. Correct है? Yes, हाँ बिल्कुल सही तन्मय sir. Next one. Trades are correct. Which of the following statement about trades are correct? What will be your correct answer? Yes, Anita ma'am is correct here. So trades, MSME, it is आपका without recourse, ठीक है. It is without recourse. For MSME without recourse. आपका discounting both invoices and bill. आपका concept rest introduced by RBI 2014 and this is also correct आपका, ठीक है. So 1 3 4 5 option D should be right answer for this particular. Very good guys. Next one. आपका IMF versus World Bank, ठीक है. दिस गेट आस्क एवरी टाइम. सो डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन IMF एंड वर्ल्ड बैंक. IMF primarily assist countries with short to medium term and World Bank for long term. True है. IMF promote exchange rate and monetary stability while World Bank आपका economic development of poorer countries. IMF financial resources come mainly from the quota based subscription members this and they raise through the आपका MEGA and others, right? 1 2 3 1, हाँ all are correct. D will be right answer. D. Tanmay sir, why A? Third statement is also true, ठीक है. IMF from the quota base which we have deposited with them, so they generally invest that particular one with other countries or investment. When it comes to World Bank, they generally issue bonds through IFC and all. They issue bonds and other securities in the market and through that they generally आपका raise funds from the market, ठीक है. तो D will be right answer. Tanmay sir, Kavita ma'am and Sivlata ma'am, right? चलो next one. Before starting operation, what is the minimum firm commitment required from investor in a venture capital? Minimum requirement, how much it is? आपका कितना है? 5 crores, ठीक है. So 5 crores will be right answer for this particular one. NAFID, very important subtopic. So you can expect one question based on this. So which of the following statement about NAFID are correct? What will be your correct answer? Okay. B आपका maximum people are saying B. First statement is true, ठीक है. So NAFID. Second statement आपका it was 1 lakh crores, ठीक है. That make this statement wrong. Third statement at least 26%, initially 100% true. NAFID set up trust under this one, true. Infrastructure financing. The next one is institution borrow money from scheduled banks and this. And NAFID can liquidate it by high court order, no, it is only by the central governments, ठीक है. 1 3 4 5 1 3 4 5 1 3 4 5 means option B will be right answer for this particular one. Very good guys. Next one, well done. बैंक रेट एंड एमएसएफ, बैंक रेट एंड एमएसएफ, ये तो बहुत आसान है। ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू, सेकंड इज आल्सो ट्रू, थर्ड स्टेटमेंट इज रॉन्ग। बैंक रेट एंड एमएसएफ ऑलवेज द सेम and do not change independently, so this is wrong. It can be MSF act as a safety valve in case of liquidity shortfall when bank won't be able to manage their SLR. Fifth one, bank rate is frequently used in India as a primary tool. It is repo rate actually when it comes to LEF. So 1 2 4, 1 2 4 means option A should be right answer for this particular one. ठीक है, चलो बहुत बढ़िया। नेक्स्ट वन, sustainable development goal, sustainable development goal of UN, so United Nations sustainable development goals, basically United Nations which generally announce these particular goal आपका in the year 2000 आपका 15 and it is effective from 2015 to 2030 April to March. 17 goal are there. Earlier we used to have MDGs, Millennium Development Goal, there was 8 goals. ठीक है, so MDGs got replaced with the SDGs. So now what is the right statement? C. So SDG introduced to replace MDGs in 2015. 17 goal, 169 target, making them comprehensive. SDG was first proposed in G20. It was Rio Summit. आपका Brazil, wrong. The time of the frame this is 2030 April to March. Major challenges आपका financing sources. तो वॉट यू हैव सजेस्ट सी 1 2, हाँ बिल्कुल सही, ठीक है, 1 2 आपका 10, ठीक है। थर्ड वन इज रॉन्ग, ठीक है। SDG वॉज फर्स्ट प्रपोज इन आपका रियो, देर वॉज अ क्लाइमेट कॉन्फ्रेंस इन रियो आपका, ठीक है। सो रियो 20 यूनाइटेड नेशंस कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑन सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट, सॉरी, ठीक है, 2012 when UN proposed these particular one. Next one, poverty and poverty alleviation programs in India. Poverty and poverty alleviation program in India. Everyone guys, quickly, quickly, quickly. Gayatri ma'am is saying A. So as per this, आपका this is true. Rural poverty is higher than आपका urban poverty. मनरेगा 100 days employment. प्रधानमंत्री जनधन योजना financial inclusion scheme. For street vendor we have PM Swanidhi. National Food Security Mission is a poverty alleviation program aimed at ensuring food security, right? So 135 means no. 135 means A should be right answer for this one. Yes, A will be right answer for this one. Next, what percentage of total asset should NBFC MFI allocate to microfinance? कितना परसेंटेज आपका allocate करना होता है? So it is 75%. ठीक है, so 75% means आपका option B will be right answer for this one. Next one, different economic system, easy one, important one, easy and important. Market economy, command economy, mixed economy. Then we have laissez-faire and आपका mixed economy, India reference. A, okay. So market economy, private and individuals. command economy by centralized by government, mixed economy element of both. Laissez-faire is for the mixed आपका market economy. It is used for market economy when market economy is at extreme. इंडिया ऑपरेट एंड मिक्स इकोनॉमी, बिल्कुल सही, ठीक है. तो ऑप्शन ए विल बी राइट आंसर फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर वन, ठीक है. लजीज फेयर इज दैट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज फ्री रेन. व्हेन मार्केट इकोनॉमी रीच टू पीक, द गवर्नमेंट इंटरवेंशन इज लीस्ट, दैट इज आपका लजीज फेयर, राइट. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट आपका अबाउट द पर्पस एंड फंक्शन ऑफ NARCL बैड बैंक आर करेक्ट? बताओ क्या होगा आंसर. बहुत आसान क्वेश्चन है. NRCL, that is again very important one, ठीक है. NAFID, NARCL or the other recent institute or these SROs, ठीक है. Self regulatory organization like MFI, आपका Foreign Dealers Association of India, FMMIDA for debt market and bond market and money market derivatives. We have IBA का उतना नहीं है but others आपका they get asked many time, ठीक है. So what will be your correct answer? C. Indra ma'am is saying C. NARCL established this to purchase this, and for remaining 85% cash receipt, 100% true. So option C will be correct answer for this one. Law of demand are correct. Law of demand. Chalo, 1 marks. Everyone will get 1 marks. Whoever will score correct, they'll get 1 marks. ठीक है, बताइए चलो. So when the price of commodity rise, quantity demanded decrease, ठीक है. So law of demand true. Substitution effect occur when consumer replace costlier good with the cheaper one, and we feel आपका poorer, not wealthy, ठीक है. 1 and 2 means option A will be right answer for this particular one, ठीक है. When things become costly, we feel poorer. Next one, चलो 2 marks. Now 2 marks. You can expect law of demand and supply plus theories of interest. 6 to 7 marks question. It can be आपका 4 to 5 questions with 1 mark. Mostly question will be for 1 marks and 2 marks, ठीक है. So very very important subtopic and you have to go through fundamentally. यहाँ पे ये लाइन हेल्प नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है. दिस इज जस्ट फॉर द प्रैक्टिस थिंग्स. सो डी आपका ओके. So this is for previous question. Chalo, let's see. So demand and expectations of law of demand, exceptions of law of demand. A shift in demand curve when factor other than the price of goods influence the quantity demanded. What we have to find out? ठीक है. Increase in average income lead to rightward shift again, ठीक है. This is also correct. Babylon goods follow the law of demand. No, they do not follow law of demand. They are symbol of status. Giffen goods are inferior goods that see an increase in demand when their prices rise. Yes. Necessary goods do not follow. This is true आपका, ठीक है. And the next one is change in income label can lead to exceptions on law of demands, and this is also correct, ठीक है. तो all are correct. No, 1 2 4 5 6 1 2 4 हाँ बिल्कुल सही. Option D will be right answer for this one. Very good guys. Next one, money supply. So about money supply in India, and you have to find out the correct statement. क्या होगा करेक्ट आंसर? कविता मैम इज सेइंग ऑप्शन ए. अदर ऑल्सो गाइज, क्या होगा आंसर? बताओ बताओ बताओ. तो स्टेटमेंट 1 is true, 2 is true, 3 is true, 4 and 5 are wrong, ठीक है. M4 include all deposit with post office. आपका excluding, it is excluding, and money data is it get published fortnight, ठीक है, it get published by RBI on fortnight. So 1 2 3 means option A will be right answer for this particular one. Very good. Next one. GDP deflator. How we calculate GDP deflator? तो बहुत आसान है. GDP deflator, ठीक है. So nominal GDP divided by real GDP into 100, right? So C will be correct answer. Next one. What action by central bank lead to an increase in money supply? Selling government securities, buying government securities from open market, ठीक है, increasing tax rate, this, ठीक है. So what will be your correct answer? Option B. C was for the previous question क्या? हाँ, ठीक है. Option B, when government buying back the security means the money will belongs to आपका investor hands and they'll spend, ठीक है. So option B will be right answer for this particular question. Next one, e-insurance account, very very important subtopic. E-insurance account, what will be your correct answer? Read carefully, answer carefully, because this is something for 1 marks or 2 marks. You'll definitely see this question. E-insurance account. ठीक है, all these statement are part of your book only. So what will be your correct answer? क्या होगा आंसर? अनीता मैम is saying A, गायत्री मैम is saying D. हाँ, these people are doing guess work. हाँ, एक्चुअली में आपने पढ़ा नहीं है. गायत्री मैम, अनीता मैम ने तो पढ़ा है, गेस इन सेम क्लास ओनली, ठीक है. सो स्टेटमेंट 1 इज रॉन्ग. 1 अकाउंट ओनली, नॉट मल्टीपल, ठीक है. And insurance account provide free of cost, this is true. Person without an insurance account, insurance policy also can open this. Existing paper policy can be converted with service request. Authorized person cannot claim आपका, ठीक है. this is very obvious आपका, ठीक है. when you are part, if you are not nominee or others, you cannot claim. To 2 3 4 means option B should be right answer for this particular one. Oh, sorry, just a minute, Tanmay sir, just a minute. Yes, Indra ma'am, I'll refresh from my side. Now fine, I guess. Now fine, everyone. Chalo. Now fine, everyone. Yes. So local area bank, lab, and you have to find out the correct statement. You have to find out incorrect. हाँ, incorrect. First statement is right. Jurisdiction of local is maximum. आपका 3 contiguous district, wrong. आपका only 1 branch in urban centers, others आपका in semi urban in this, ठीक है. So 2 and 3 आपका C will be right answer for this one. Next one, CCIL. So we have to find out the correct statement related to CCIL. Yes, 1 and 2 only. These two statements are true, and this is not a regulatory body. It is meant to support regulatory bodies or their product in clearing and settlements. So option A only will be right answer for this particular one. Next one guys. So last statement is wrong. आपका two officials. So this is wrong. First statement आपका correct. ठीक है. Second statement is also true. Third statement it is for 5 years. This is also correct. Incorrect. Fourth statement आपका fourth statement is true. Governor, deputy governor this. Fifth statement is wrong. It is for 4 years. ठीक है. It is for 4 years. तो A आपका A you guys are saying A 1 2 4 हाँ 100%. Option A will be right answer for this particular one. Next one. Are not correct as per the Banking Regulation Act. So what will be your correct answer? First and 3 are true. This is wrong because it is only 10%. ठीक है. So 1 and 3 means option B will be right. Option B should be right answer. Why people are mentioning A? So option B. This is आपका 10%. Right. So RBI may increase this particular one to 26%, but in no cases that is 30%. ठीक है. Everyone. चलो next one. SIDBI loan, Smile, 10 years, 3 years moratorium. त्वरित it was आपका this is 1 crores, this is 1 crore and this is wrong. 1 2 4 these are fifth statement आपका. What you say about the fifth statement guys? Okay, C means no 1 this is true. Fifth statement I need to check. Tulip provide one stop loan for 2 crores not for 5 crores. ठीक है. So Tulip is for 2 crores not for 5 crores means wrong. Means आपका 1 2 and 4 1 2 4 means option B will be right answer for this one. Anyone? No. A and C maximum people. हाँ. Krishna sir mark the correct answer. Everyone apart from everyone. ठीक है. चलो NABARD वेरी सिंपल वन. NABARD तो बहुत आसान है. ठीक है. काफ़ी लंबे समय से आप इसको सुनते आ रहे हैं. Graphic art is Committee to Review Arrangement for Financial and Institutional Credit for Agriculture and Rural Development, which was led by B. Sivaraman. It get established in 19th of July 1982. The first statement is 100% true. Second statement is also true. It does not directly deal with customers. It is refinancing business. ठीक है. It prepare district level potential link credit plan to guide bank in rural areas. NABARD supervise and inspect the state cooperative banks. Yes, RRBs. It provide long-term loan to state governments contributing rural and cooperatives. NABARD is responsible. No, ठीक है. तो आपका क्या बैठ रहा है? A is the right answer for this particular one. ठीक है. I'll not check because I believe कि everybody will be able to right answer. NBFC classification are correct. NBFC classification are correct. Liability based classification is this. Activity based आपका can be this. 500 crore systematically important. Not subject to capital adequacy, deposit taking. This. ठीक है. So apart from statement 4, all are correct here. ठीक है. So all the statements are correct apart from this because they, if you are deposit taking NBFC, you are subject matter of आपका capital adequacy requirement. So 1, 2, 3, 5 means आपका option A will be right answer for this one. Very good, well done. Next one. In which year the insurance industry in India first opened to private sector or private players in FDI? बताइए दोस्तों. Yes, very good, Vinod sir. Awesome. So yeah, option D आपका 2000. Right. Next one. 82. It's okay. Sorry. 80. Question number 82. 5-year bonds with face value of 10,000. Current yield is 8%. If the bond coupon rate is 9%, what we can infer from this particular one? 5-year bond face value is आपका 10,000. Current yield is 8% and coupon rate is आपका 9%. Coupon rate is means your coupon rate is greater than current yield. ठीक है. अब बताओ क्या होगा? Yes, हाँ, okay, अच्छा, okay. This is a for previous one. बताओ. I'm waiting for this answer. Kavita ma'am is saying, Vinod sir, this answer for this question, हाँ, very good, well done, very good. So it is a case of premium, ठीक है? So it is a case of premium. So when current yield is less than आपका your coupon rate, आपका discount, and when current yield is when current coupon rate is greater than your current yield, it is a case of premium. ठीक है? Very good guys, awesome. Rani ma'am, not A, it is B. Bond that give issuer the right to issuer. बताओ. This callable and putable bonds was get asked in previous examination also, and I'm very आपका confident कि ये इस बार भी पूछा जाएगा. ठीक है. Callable optionality in bonds get asked many times. In last examination also this was the part of your curriculum. Exam basically. So it is when it comes to options, optionality in bonds. So callable bonds which give right to issuer. When it is putable bonds, it give right to आपका investors. ठीक है. So to buy back or to sell back. Very good, well done. REITs and their benefit. REITs and their benefit. REITs and their benefit. ठीक है. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज टू कैपिटल गेन इज बेस्ड ऑन रेंटल इनकम प्लस स्टॉक वैल्यू. ठीक है. स्टॉक मार्केट वैल्यू एप्रिसिएशन. प्रोफेशनल मैनेजमेंट ऑफ रीट्स. प्रोफेशनल्स हु मैनेज द रीट्स. आपका रीट गारंटी इट इज़ अ मार्केट लिंक सो वी कैन नॉट से गारंटी. सो 1 and 3 आपका ऑप्शन बी. ऑप्शन बी. वाई यू गाइज आर गोइंग इन डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन. सकेश सर, देवेंद्र सर एंड श्रीकांत सर ऑल्सो. ठीक है. So आपका I guess we studied this particular topic आपका few days ago or last week only. Please revise. Short term capital gain on sale of I in आपका investment in infrastructure trust. बताओ what will be right? It is not about REITs. ठीक है, please ध्यान रखिएगा. It is not about REITs. Or even if it is about REITs, it will be same. ठीक है, so for both we have same. For both we have same. It is short term. You have to remember short term is always higher than long term आपका. ठीक है, short term capital gain will be higher compared to long term. ठीक है, so it is 15%. Long term आपका long term capital gain is 10%. The year classification is in case of I and VIT it is more than 36 month. In case of आपका REITs it is more than 12 months. ठीक है, 12 months आपका for long term classification. Below this it is short term. ठीक है, tax rate are same 15% for short term in both the cases, but the short term definition is different. In case of REITs it is आपका 12 months, less than 12 months. And in case of because these are long-term project and all, and this is something commercial properties and all. Okay, so that's why this is the case. Understood? Please do remember this. It get asked many times. Okay, next one. Okay, this is it. So this was our today's kind of PYQ driven session. Now I'll see you tomorrow at 6 o'clock, as you guys are saying 6 o'clock. So I'll come up with 200 questions, small questions, covering all the 45 units. ठीक है, so small question means max to max will be having 2 or 3 statements, and thus आपका like 40 question half marker आपका exam like kind of things. ठीक है, 40 questions 1 marker, 20 question आपका 2 marker. ठीक है, then we'll आपका do it, right? चलो, anything else guys? So I hope you enjoy this particular revision. Now I'll see you tomorrow at same time, and we will be discussing आपका we will be discussing one final marathon unit wise, all complete modules in a sequence way. ठीक है, everyone done? ठीक है, घबराना नहीं है. ठीक है, you do not have to get scared, you just have to revise. And how you'll revise through the आपका कॉन्सेप्ट PDF. ठीक है, दैट इज समथिंग विच इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. रिवाइज थ्रू कॉन्सेप्ट PDF, देन आपका यू इफ यू वांट टू अटेम्प्ट यू कैन री अटेम्प्ट इन अदर्स. ठीक है, सो दैट विल हेल्प यू, राइट? चलो, सो दिस इज इट फ्रॉम माई साइड गाइज. थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग दिस सेशन, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस सेशन. आई विल सी यू टुमारो एट सेम टाइम. बाय बाय, टेक केयर ऑल, हैव अ नाइस डे, एंड सी यू टुमारो गाइज. थैंक यू.